Here are 30 most commonly asked interview questions for SAP TM Transportation Management, along with detailed answers. 1. What is SAP Transportation Management, SAP TM? Answer: SAP Transportation Management, SAP TM, is a comprehensive solution within SAP designed to manage and optimize transportation processes. It enables businesses to efficiently plan, execute, and monitor transportation across various modes like road, rail, sea, air, and helps streamline logistics by integrating with other SAP modules such as SAP ERP, SAP S/4HANA, and SAP EWM. Its key features are: A. Transportation planning automates the process of planning shipments based on demand and supply. B. Carrier selection optimizes the selection of transportation carriers based on predefined criteria. C. Freight cost management helps manage and track freight costs. D. Execution and monitoring ensures seamless execution of transportation tasks and provides real-time tracking. 2. What are the main functionalities of SAP TM? Answer: SAP TM offers a wide range of functionalities that cover the entire transportation process. A. Transportation planning allows users to plan shipments by considering various factors like costs, service levels, and transit times. B. Carrier selection identifies and selects the best suited carriers based on multiple criteria like cost, performance, and transit time. C. Execution facilitates the creation of transportation orders, bookings with carriers, and dispatching. D. Freight cost management helps manage and calculate freight costs, including surcharges and tariffs. E. Tracking and visibility offers real-time tracking of shipments, including alerts for delays or issues. 3. What is the difference between SAP TM and SAP EWM? Answer: SAP TM and SAP EWM are both key components in supply chain management, but they serve different purposes like: A. SAP TM Transportation Management focuses on optimizing transportation operations, including planning, execution, carrier selection, and tracking shipments. B. SAP EWM Extended Warehouse Management manages warehouse operations, such as inventory management, order fulfillment, and warehouse optimization, while SAP EWM focuses on internal logistics within a warehouse. SAP TM handles the movement of goods between locations. Both solutions integrate closely, especially when transporting goods from the warehouse to the customer or between warehouses. 4. How does SAP TM handle freight cost calculation? Answer: SAP TM uses a set of predefined rules to calculate freight costs. The system considers factors such as transportation mode, distance, weight, volume, and service levels. Key features include: A. Freight agreements. The system supports the configuration of freight agreements with carriers, which define pricing conditions, payment terms, and discounts. B. Rate tables. SAP TM uses rate tables to calculate charges based on parameters such as weight, volume, and distance. C. Surcharges and discounts. Surcharges, for example, fuel surcharges, tolls, and discounts can be included in freight calculations. D. Cost allocation. The system helps allocate freight costs to different departments or cost centers based on predefined rules. 5. What are the key benefits of implementing SAP TM? Answer: implementing SAP TM offers several benefits like: A. Cost reduction. By optimizing transportation routes, reducing empty miles, and selecting the best carriers, SAP TM helps businesses reduce transportation costs. B. Improved visibility. SAP TM provides real-time tracking and visibility of shipments, enabling proactive management of delays and issues. C. Enhanced efficiency. Automation of tasks like carrier selection, shipment planning, and freight cost calculations increases operational efficiency. D. Better decision-making. advanced analytics and reporting tools. Provide insights into transportation performance, helping businesses make informed decisions. E. Regulatory compliance. SAP TM helps ensure compliance with local and international regulations by incorporating them into the transportation process. 6. What is the role of transportation order in SAP TM? Answer: in SAP TM, the transportation order is a document that represents the planned movement of goods from one location to another. It includes all relevant information about the shipment, such as A. Origin and destination locations. B. Goods to be transported. C. Carrier and transportation mode. D. Freight costs. E. Estimated delivery time. Transportation orders are created during the planning phase and are essential for execution, as they provide all the necessary details for transporting goods. 7. How does SAP TM handle multimodal transportation? Answer: SAP TM supports multimodal transportation, allowing the use of different transportation modes, for example, road, rail, sea, air, for a single shipment. The system can A. Optimize routes. It determines the most efficient route that combines different modes of transportation to minimize costs and transit times. B. Mode switching. SAP TM allows switching between different modes during the journey, depending on cost, availability, and service requirements. C. Carrier management. It manages relationships with multiple carriers across various transportation modes and facilitates the selection of the most suitable carriers for each part of the journey. 8. What is the difference between a transportation planning run and carrier selection in SAP TM? Answer: both are key functionalities in SAP TM, but they serve different purposes, like A. Transportation planning run. This is the process of automatically planning shipments based on existing demands, for example, sales orders, deliveries. The system considers available transportation resources, routes, and scheduling constraints. B. Carrier selection. This function helps identify the best carriers for a shipment based on predefined selection criteria, for example, cost, performance, lead time. It is often part of the transportation planning process, but is a more specific task focused on choosing the carrier. 9. What are freight units in SAP TM? Answer: freight unit represents a grouping of goods that are planned for transportation. It is a central object in SAP TM, and it typically contains information about A. Quantity of goods. B. Type of goods. C. Packaging type. D. Transport requirements. Freight units help to organize goods for shipment and are used in the planning and execution stages to ensure efficient handling and transportation. 10. How does SAP TM handle the integration with SAP ERP ECC or S/4HANA? Answer: SAP TM integrates with SAP ERP ECC or S/4HANA to exchange information related to sales orders, deliveries, and purchase orders. Integration typically involves A. Sales and distribution SD integration. Shipment data is transferred from SAP ERP to SAP TM for planning and execution. B. Material management integration. Information about goods, receipts, and purchases is shared between SAP TM and SAP C. Inventory management. Updates related to inventory movements are communicated between SAP TM and SAP EWM or SAP This integration ensures that transportation processes are closely aligned with order fulfillment and inventory management. 11. What is the role of transportation lane in SAP TM? Answer: a transportation lane in SAP TM defines the relationship between a pair of locations, for example, a supplier and a customer, and includes details about the transportation mode, route, and transit times. The transportation lane helps in A. Routing. It determines the routes available for shipments between locations. B. Cost calculation. transportation lanes can include cost parameters, helping calculate freight costs between locations. C. Carrier assignment. Lanes can be associated with specific carriers, enabling efficient carrier selection for each transportation route. Please check description or comment section of this video. I have given a link for downloading 7 or 8 PDFs containing all types of most asked interview question and answers like scenario-based, technical-based, behavioral-based, real-world problem solving, generally most asked, system design, most asked implementation project-related questions and answers, support project-related questions and answers. Required for your SAP jobs like SAP PP consultant job, SAP MM consultant job, SAP SD consultant job, SAP Ariba consultant job, SAP EWM consultant job, SAP PM consultant job interviews. You people can download all 7 or 8 PDFs in a single zip file from below given link. 12. What is SAP TM's approach to managing exceptions in transportation? Answer: SAP TM has a built-in exception management system to handle disruptions or unexpected events in transportation, such as delays, damages, or rerouting. The system allows A. Real-time alerts. SAP TM sends notifications about exceptions, such as delays or route changes. B. Root cause analysis. Helps identify the causes of exceptions, enabling businesses to address systemic issues. C. Alternative solutions. It proposes alternative actions, such as changing carriers, modifying routes, or rescheduling deliveries. D. Visibility and tracking. Provides continuous tracking and visibility into shipments so issues can be addressed proactively. 13. How does SAP TM manage shipment tracking and monitoring? Answer: SAP TM provides real-time shipment tracking through integration with various carriers' tracking systems. The system enables A. Visibility. Track the location of goods throughout the entire transportation process. B. Alerts. Notify stakeholders in case of delays, damages, or other issues. C. Event management. Monitors critical events and allows the management team to take corrective action if necessary. D. Integration with GPS. In some cases, GPS data can be integrated into SAP TM for more accurate tracking. 14. What is the role of SAP TM in last-mile delivery? Answer: SAP TM plays a critical role in optimizing last-mile delivery, which involves the final leg of the journey from a distribution center or warehouse to the customer. It helps by A. Route optimization. Ensures that delivery routes are optimized based on factors like traffic, distance, and delivery time windows. B. Carrier management. Manages relationships with local or regional delivery carriers. C. Real-time visibility. Provides customers and businesses with real-time updates on delivery status. D. Cost reduction. Optimizes delivery routes and reduces costs associated with last-mile logistics. 15. What is the significance of transportation charges in SAP TM? Answer: transportation charges refer to the costs incurred during the transportation of goods. These charges can include base freight costs, surcharges like fuel, tolls, and other fees. SAP TM enables A. Accurate calculation. It calculates transportation charges based on predefined rate tables, agreements with carriers, and shipment details. B. Cost allocation. It allocates charges to the appropriate cost centers or profit centers for accounting purposes. C. Invoice verification. Ensures that carrier invoices match the calculated transportation charges, streamlining the invoice verification process. 16. What is the difference between freight order and transportation order in SAP TM? Answer: in SAP TM, both freight order and transportation order are important documents, but they serve different purposes like A. Freight order represents the physical execution of the transportation, including the carrier, mode of transport, and routing details. It's a detailed document that outlines how the goods are being shipped. Freight orders are used to manage and execute shipments once the transportation plan is confirmed. B. Transportation order. This is more of a planning document. It's created in the initial stages to capture the details of a planned shipment, and can be converted into a freight order for execution once the plan is finalized. 17. How does SAP TM integrate with SAP GTS for customs management? Answer. SAP TM integrates with SAP Global Trade Services GTS to handle customs management and compliance during international transportation. The integration enables A. Automated customs documentation. SAP GTS can generate the necessary documents for cross-border shipments, such as export declarations and import permits. B. Compliance checks. SAP GTS ensures that shipments comply with international trade regulations and tariffs and helps with screening against denied party lists. C. Customs clearance. The integration streamlines the process for customs clearance by transferring required data from SAP TM to SAP GTS for processing. 18. What is the purpose of freight settlement in SAP TM? Answer. Freight settlement in SAP TM is the process of managing and processing freight-related invoices from carriers. This process involves A. Invoice verification, ensuring that invoices from carriers match the previously agreed upon rates and conditions, including freight charges and surcharges. B. Payment processing. The system calculates the payment due to the carrier based on the freight charges and verifies that the amounts are accurate. C. Cost allocation. SAP TM allocates freight costs to appropriate cost centers or business units for financial reporting and accounting purposes. 19. What are the main features of SAP TM's transportation planning functionality? Answer. Transportation planning in SAP TM covers the entire process of preparing shipments for execution. The main features include A. Shipment consolidation groups multiple smaller shipments into a larger consolidated shipment to optimize transportation resources. B. Route and carrier optimization determines the best routes and carriers based on cost, time, and service level requirements. C. Load optimization optimizes the loading of goods onto transportation units like trucks, containers, etc., maximizing space and minimizing costs. D. Capacity planning ensures that transportation resources have sufficient capacity to handle the planned shipments. Please check description or comment section of this video. I have given a link for downloading 7 or 8 PDFs containing all types of most asked interview question and answers like scenario-based, technical-based, behavioral-based, real-world problem solving, generally most asked, system design, most asked implementation project-related questions and answers, support project-related questions and answers. Required for your SAP jobs like SAP PP consultant job, SAP MM consultant job, SAP SD consultant job, SAP Ariba consultant job, SAP EWM consultant job, SAP PM consultant job interviews. You people can download all 7 or 8 PDFs in a single zip file from below given link. 20. What is event management in SAP TM and how does it work? Answer. Event management in SAP TM provides real-time monitoring of transportation events, for example, shipment delays, route changes, or accidents. It involves A. Tracking shipments. The system tracks shipments in real time using event data from carriers and GPS systems. B. Event logging. SAP TM logs events as they occur, such as shipment delays, accidents, or customs holdups. C. Alert management. Alerts are triggered when predefined events, for example, delays occur, enabling businesses to take corrective action promptly. D. Proactive management. helps users proactively manage potential disruptions, minimizing their impact on delivery timelines. 21. What is the concept of Advanced Shipping Notification (ASN) in SAP TM? Answer: Advanced Shipping Notification (ASN) is an electronic notification sent by the carrier or supplier to inform the receiver about the shipment's contents, shipment status, and estimated delivery time before the goods arrive. In SAP TM, SNs are used to a. Improve visibility. It provides the recipient with real-time data on shipment status, enhancing supply chain visibility. B. Prepare for receiving. Helps the warehouse or receiving department prepare for incoming goods, improving the efficiency of unloading and inventory management. C. Reduce errors. Minimizes discrepancies between expected and actual deliveries by providing accurate, up-to-date information. 22. What are the different types of planning in SAP TM? Answer: SAP TM offers different types of planning for optimizing transportation processes. A. Strategic planning focuses on long-term planning, such as selecting transportation partners and defining transportation lanes. B. Operational planning involves daily or short-term planning, such as creating transportation orders, selecting carriers, and defining routes. C. Tactical planning balances between strategic and operational planning, such as optimizing load planning and handling exceptions. 23. How does SAP TM optimize transportation routes? Answer: SAP TM uses sophisticated algorithms and optimization techniques to determine the most efficient transportation routes based on various factors, including a. Distance. Routes are optimized based on distance between locations. B. Cost. The system considers the transportation cost for different routes and selects the least expensive option. C. Service level. Routes are selected based on the required delivery time and service level. D. Capacity. The system ensures that transportation resources, for example, trucks, containers, are fully utilized without overloading. 24. What is transportation scheduling in SAP TM? Answer: Transportation scheduling in SAP TM involves defining when transportation activities should start and finish. It includes a. Load planning defines the optimal time for loading and unloading shipments. B. Departure and arrival times. The system schedules departure and arrival times based on transportation resources, routes, and customer requirements. C. Time window management. It ensures that shipments arrive within the specified time windows for delivery. 25. What is the carrier collaboration feature in SAP TM? Answer: Carrier collaboration in SAP TM allows communication and collaboration between businesses and their transportation carriers. Key features include a. Carrier portal, a web-based interface where carriers can view shipment details, track progress, and update statuses. B. Real-time updates. Both businesses and carriers can exchange real-time updates on shipments, such as delays or route changes. C. Bid management allows companies to solicit bids from multiple carriers, compare rates, and select the best carrier for each shipment. 26. What is the role of transport lane in SAP TM? Answer: A transport lane in SAP TM defines the specific route or connection between two locations, such as a supplier and a customer. It contains information on a. Transportation modes, specifies which transportation modes like road, rail, sea, air are available for this route. B. Transit times, defines the expected time it takes to transport goods between the locations. C. Carrier information, links the lane to specific carriers that can be used for transportation along that route. 27. How does SAP TM handle freight forwarding? Answer: SAP TM supports freight forwarding by managing the end-to-end logistics process, including a. Carrier selection, helps freight forwarders choose the best carriers for different segments of a shipment. B. Multimodal transport. It handles freight forwarding for shipments that require multiple transportation modes, for example, road, sea, rail. C. Documentation. Manages the documentation required for international freight forwarding, such as bills of lading and customs documents. 28. How does SAP TM manage freight audit and payment? Answer. SAP TM enables freight audit and payment by streamlining the verification and payment of transportation costs. The system: A. Audits freight invoices. It compares carrier invoices with the agreed-upon freight rates, identifying discrepancies. B. Payment processing. The system generates payment requests based on the audited invoices and ensures payments are made on time. C. Dispute management. If there are discrepancies or disputes, SAP TM provides tools for resolution, such as initiating claims or adjusting payments. 29. What are the different methods of shipment planning in SAP TM? Answer. SAP TM offers multiple methods for shipment planning, including: A. Manual planning. Users can manually assign shipments to carriers and optimize routes based on specific needs. B. Automatic planning. The system can automatically plan shipments based on predefined rules, shipment requirements, and available resources. C. Optimization-based planning. SAP TM uses algorithms to optimize shipment planning, considering factors like costs, capacity, and transit time. 30. How does SAP TM contribute to sustainability in transportation management? Answer. SAP TM contributes to sustainability in transportation management by: A. Route optimization. It helps minimize fuel consumption and emissions by optimizing routes and reducing empty miles. B. Load consolidation. By consolidating shipments, SAP TM reduces the number of trips required, leading to less pollution. C. Carrier selection. Businesses can choose eco-friendly carriers that use low-emission vehicles or sustainable practices. These are 30 most commonly asked comprehensive interview questions for SAP TM transportation management. They cover key aspects of SAP TM and provide detailed insights into its capabilities and functionality. Please check description or comment section of this video. I have given a link for downloading 7 or 8 PDFs containing all types of most asked interview question and answers, like scenario-based, technical-based, behavioral-based, real-world problem-solving, generally most asked, system design, most asked implementation project-related questions and answers, support project-related questions and answers. Required for your SAP jobs like SAP PP consultant job, SAP MM consultant job, SAP SD consultant job, SAP Ariba consultant job, SAP EWM consultant job, SAP PM consultant job interviews. You people can download all 7 or 8 PDFs in a single zip file from below given link. For more exciting tips, tricks, and more importantly, for valuable insights of interviews, please share, like, and subscribe to my channel. It has a lot of valuable information about various insights of interviews. It has a wide range of real-world portfolio projects of various technologies for interviews, and it has wide range of most asked interview questions and answers of various technologies like data science, SAP, AWS, DevOps, and full-stack web development, and more that will be useful during interviews. It has a wide range of most asked interview questions and answers and real-world portfolio projects of various technologies for freshers, for 2 to 3 years, experienced candidates, and for 5 or above years, experienced candidates to test their skills by knowing most asked interview questions and make themselves ready for interviews.